Hey, I want to thank this brand so much for sending this iron for us to try. This is so nice. It's so big and it makes so much noise. And when I open it, it scares the dogs because of the noise that it makes. It's very foldable and portable. It'd be great for a dorm room or a small room, or if you need to travel with it. But it opens up. You slide these little pieces down in place to lock it. Okay, and then this end pulls out. So then you've got a spot for your iron. So whether you want to do this on a tabletop, you want to do it on a bed, you don't have a lot of room, it gives you a nice sturdy surface. Just pop this out, iron like you need to. You've got a place to rest your iron here. Your dog can get up on it. But this just makes this so convenient. One little thing that you're trying to iron and you don't want to get out the big ironing board if you have one, this is a great option. It's really long. I mean, it's probably almost half the size of a regular one, but plenty of room to do a piece of clothing. It's nice and sturdy. And then I love how it just folds into place. You just push this down to shut it. Goes down in. These just simply fold. Pull these out. Lock them into place. I love that you can even hang it up. You've got this little tab right here, and then boom, you can just hang this up in your closet if you don't have another spot for it. Takes up hardly any room at all. I'm throwing away my big ironing board. This is all I need.